am Satish Garware from Francis Engineering Works, Mumbai. We manufacture the entire range of poultry equipments with all the innovative idea, and we manufacture our equipments in virgin plastic, which is absolutely unbreakable and long lasting, so the farmers prefer our equipment because of the quality and the service what we give to them. We manufacture the entire range of equipment, as I said, which includes right from the baby drinker, chick drinkers, grower drinkers, automatic drinkers, bell drinkers, commercial feeders, parent egg tray, chick transportation tray, gas brooders, electrical heaters, etc. etc. So a lot of range. Its equipments are absolutely friendly user, and it is very easy for handling also. Less maintenance. So because of the less maintenance, it is long-lasting equipments are there. And we, as I told you earlier also, we manufacture from the virgin plastic. That is absolutely pure material, unbreakable material. This Francis Engineering we are totally dedicated to the poultry itself, and we manufacture all the range of poultry equipments. Normally we have our after-sales service also. If anything is required, any spares are required, whatever it is required, if any installation is required, we provide our engineer teams is there. They go and do all the necessary for the farmer. This exhibition is a really good exhibition, and I am being a member of this IPEMA, so we have taken a lot of efforts for this exhibition, and we are thankful to our president, Mr. Chakradhar Rao, who has taken the efforts for this exhibition also. And the crowd has, what we say, all the farmers all over India have come, especially from the south, from the north, east, west, everywhere. And we are very much happy with this exhibition. No, for all the 5 years, this 5th year, continuously we are participating in this exhibition. This year, because of this marketing of this exhibition was done perfectly. Up to the grassroots level, all the farmers from the interiors, they have come and visited the stall. So we are happy for that.